Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Veeam Agent for Microsoft Windows to store in cloud. Beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Navigate to the official Veeam website by typing in the URL. Once on the home page, find the Products menu. Hover over or click on Products to reveal a drop-down list. Locate and select Veeam Agent for Microsoft Windows from the list. You will be redirected to the Veeam Agent page. Look for the Download button, usually located in a prominent position on the page. Click on the Download button to start retrieving the installation file. Choose your preferred edition for download, either free or the trial version. Click on the selected edition to proceed with the download. A dialog box may appear asking you to save the file. Select the location on your computer where you want to save the file. After the download completes, navigate to the folder where the file was saved. Double-click on the downloaded file to begin the installation process. The Veeam Setup wizard will appear on your screen. Click Next to move through the initial installation steps. Read and accept the license agreement by checking the appropriate box. Click Next to continue. Select the type of installation you wish to perform. For beginners, the default settings are generally recommended. Click Next after selecting your installation type. Choose the destination folder for the installation or keep the default path. Click Next to proceed. At this point, review your installation settings. Click Install to start the installation process. Wait for the installation to complete. Once the installation finishes, click Finish to exit the Setup wizard. Now, open the Veeam Agent application from your desktop or Start menu. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.